Office Printing 101. What is the difference between print management and managed print services? Print management and managed print services are related, but they are not the same thing. Print management is about control and behavior. It focuses on who prints, what they print, where they print, and how securely that happens. A print management platform applies policies, tracks activity, enforces secure workflows like pull printing, and provides analytics for ongoing improvement. Managed Print Services, or MPS, focus on devices and support. An MPS provider helps design and deploy a fleet, monitors hardware, ships toner, schedules maintenance, and often charges per page. It is a way to outsource the care and feeding of the printers themselves. The two approaches work at different layers. MPS operates at the hardware and service layer. Print management operates at the policy and workflow layer. An easy analogy helps. Print management is like the rules and routines that govern how home is run, such as when to clean and how to manage energy and waste. Managed print services are like hiring a landscaping company to take care of the yard. Both matter, but they solve different problems. Many organizations get the best results when both layers are in place. Devices are cared for, and printing behavior is shaped in a way that supports cost control, security, and a better experience.